Understanding Skin Rash, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common phrase that you might have heard or seen in different contexts. Skin rash. We'll break down what it means, when to use it, and give you some examples to help you understand it better. So, let's get started. A skin rash is a term used to describe an area of red, inflamed skin that may be itchy, painful, or swollen. Rashes can appear suddenly and for various reasons, including allergic reactions, infections, or skin conditions such as eczema or psoriasis. It's important to note that skin rash is a general term, and there are many different types of rashes with different causes and symptoms. Now that we know what a skin rash is, let's see how to use this phrase in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. I got a skin rash after touching poison ivy during our hiking trip. 2. The doctor said that my skin rash is due to an allergic reaction and prescribed a cream for it. 3. If you have a skin rash that doesn't go away, you should see a doctor. In all these examples, skin rash is used to describe a medical condition affecting the skin. Understanding the common causes of skin rashes can help you prevent them and seek the right treatment if needed. Here are some of the most common causes. 1. Allergic reactions. These can be caused by food, medications, or contact with certain substances. 2. Infections. Bacterial, viral, or fungal infections can lead to rashes. 3. Skin conditions. Conditions like eczema, psoriasis, or acne may cause rashes. 4. Heat and sweat. Sometimes, excessive heat and sweating can irritate the skin and cause a rash. 5. Insect bites. Bites from mosquitoes or other insects can cause rashes on the skin. If you or someone you know has a skin rash, here are some general tips to deal with it. 1. Avoid scratching. Scratching can worsen the rash and lead to infection. 2. Keep the area clean. Gently clean the rash with mild soap and water. 3. Apply a cold compress. This can help reduce inflammation and itching. 4. Use over-the-counter creams. Anti-itch creams can provide relief. 5. See a doctor if needed. If the rash is severe, persistent, or accompanied by other symptoms, seek medical attention. That's it for our video on skin rash. We hope this has helped you understand what it means, how to use it in a sentence, and what you can do if you or someone else has a skin rash. Remember, when in doubt, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.